Hi there, it's John Henkel with Netgear here at ISE 2023. I want to talk to you about our Engage software. So on our AV line switches for a lot of applications throughout a residential installation, they have a GUI built in to make it a lot easier to set up that switch. Because a lot of AV people may not know networking, and you don't have to now. So with Engage, we pulled that software out of the switch and made a standalone application. So for 1, 2, 5, whatever number of switches you want, you can now on a PC, just to plug in a little USB card with your application on it, and use Engage then to log into your switches, and then set up the easy profiles we do to all your switches at one fell swoop, as they say. So what that means is when you go in to set up a home for Crestron NVX or NDI or whatever else you're doing through that, maybe Dante Audio or AVB, you can easily go to the profile list and select that profile, and then tell us which ports that AV over IP information is going over. Select those ports, hit enter, we configure the switch for you automatically. So it's a really dramatic way of configuring your switch. You don't have to go through a 10-page guide or have a special certification to configure a switch. We do all that for you. We test with other manufacturers to make sure the settings are right. If they change, we change our profiles as well. So it's really making it easier for anybody, especially doing residential installs, to be able to configure a network switch. And you're set up and you're ready to go. Along with that, we also have our Pro AV Design Services team. So that actually helps you figure out which switch is the right switch. And we can do a heat mapping for wireless stuff as well. So we can do all kinds of help to make sure that you have the tools you need to be successful in those residential installations. For more information, you can go to netgear.com/residential. I want to tell you about a couple things you may not know about that we offer, these free services for anybody doing commercial residential AV. It's two services. One is Pro AV Design and one is Pro Wi-Fi Design. And they're accessed by a simple email address. So Pro Wi-Fi Design at netgear.com will get you network design assistance. So our system integrators will review your plans, they'll figure out what you need for uplink ports and how many switches, all that kind of stuff. That's easy, it's quick. Email address gets you in the ticket queue, so we have a ticket, and they handle that as quick as they can. For the wireless division, Pro Wi-Fi Design at netgear.com, same similar setup. Simple email address, you'll get engineers, you'll get product managers who can help you figure out what the proper placement is for your access points. So you send us a building plan with your building materials, a concrete wall here, or a wood wall there, stucco, then they can do a heat map and tell you exactly where to place your access points. That's just invaluable help to figure out, to make sure your customers are happy and they get the right level of service, the right products in the right place. Those are all free services from Netgear. Some of the stuff we're doing for you for the residential market. To find out more, you can go to netgear.com/residential.